The Face Mapping and Yoga Practitioner Diploma is a Gateway Workshops online course. You will develop a better understanding of face mapping and its relevance in identifying various skin problems. In addition, you will learn about acne, one of the most common skin issues, and how holistic approaches can help treat it. Firstly, we will provide a brief introduction to the workings of the skin and why it changes as we age. This knowledge will enable us to improve our own skincare techniques as well as those we use on our clients. Moreover, you will discover the different zones of the face and their significance. In part 1 of the course, we delve into the art of traditional Chinese face mapping, Ayurvedic face mapping, and modern face mapping. This exploration helps us understand the differences between ancient and modern customs and how we can combine them to create a comprehensive and holistic approach to our daily skincare routines. We explore the 3 doshas, learn recipes for making our own holistic skincare products, and discover how to address modern-day skincare issues using a holistic and authentic approach. The course then moves on to explore how to use the ancient practice of face yoga to prevent, protect, and reverse the signs of aging. We delve into an extensive library of face yoga exercises and provide different techniques for various areas of the face. Our course doesn't just involve written materials, we also provide practical demonstrations and a library of 10 videos. Upon completion, you'll receive 2 downloadable PDFs. The first is called the Face Yoga and Mapping Pack, which covers all the illustrations used in this course. The second is an extensive face mapping workbook, intended for individuals in the wellbeing industry who want to integrate this treatment into their business. Once you've completed the course, you'll receive a professionally accredited and approved certificate, allowing you to use this knowledge with the public and charge. Join the thousands of students who have trained with our award-winning school, boasting a proven track record, extremely high standards, and expert tutors. We offer massage, beauty, and spiritual courses at our venues across London and the rest of the UK, including Scotland and Ireland. And we also offer many online courses too. Gateway Workshops, the gateway to your potential.